If nobody click your video, it doesn't matter how good the content is, the first thing people see is your thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clickable YouTube thumbnail in Canva using only your mobile phone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips and content creation strategies to help you create professional designs like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1, you open your Canva homepage like this. Then you search for YouTube thumbnail. You click on create new. Now let's see the size. We click on that 3 icon at the top. The size is 1280 pixels and 720 pixels. This is the recommended thumbnail size for YouTube. And if you want to edit the templates, make sure you click on this place to name your template. And you go back, and the next step is to choose a simple template. You search for YouTube thumbnail, tutorial thumbnail, business thumbnail, and don't just copy template exactly. Use them as inspiration, but not to copy the way they did the template before. So you click on the template at the bottom right here. So let's use this. Now let me copy this design so that I can see the before and the after we have done customizing the template. Now I have duplicated the page so I can see the before and the after. And when you are customizing your template, use a big text. Use a big text. If people can't read your thumbnail on the phone, it's too small. Make sure you use a big text. So like this one, unlock trading secrets. You click on edit. Just for sample Canva hacks. You click on it again. You click on font size. Let me increase it a little. You can see. And you create a focal point. That is the next step. If the thumbnail involves showing your face, make sure you show your face clearly. Your thumbnail should tell the viewers where to look first. You show the design or the object. Make sure that everything is showing clearly. And the next step is you use high contrast. Make sure that everything is very bright, no dull colors, because it helps your thumbnail stand out in the search results. And make sure you keep your text short. Make sure all the text align with each other. When you are customizing your template, you change the colors. Let's replace this one. You can see. Let's change the background for us to change the. Let me change this one to blue. So you click on each element and you change the color, you change the text, you change the font, you increase the size, and make sure you customize them clearly in order for the viewers to see exactly what is on your YouTube thumbnail. Make sure you keep everything short and make sure everything align with each other. You click on each text, then you click on edit. You change the font, you increase the size, you change the color, you make it bold or you leave it like that. So it depends on how you are customizing your template. For the pictures, you click on it and you can click on replace. You can import the pictures from your gallery, or you go to Canva stock pictures. you can see right here that I've already replaced the picture. And when you are done customizing the template, the next thing for you is to download. You click on this download button right here at the top of the design. You click on download, then you click download, and you download your design. So this is how to customize your YouTube thumbnail. The one I did is just for sample. It depends on the color of the YouTube thumbnail that you want to customize. So customize according to the color that you want to use on your YouTube thumbnail. So these colors are just for sample. So these are before and this is after, and that's how you customize your YouTube thumbnail. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification and also share this video. Thank you.